Assalamu alaikum class. I hope all of you are fine. So today we will discuss our new topic. Okay, that is decimal in context. Page number 50. In the start, first we will discuss about uh, investigation. Okay, that is too easy to understand. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Cheng buy a five presents. She spent a total of $2. Okay, the total cost of A and B is 7. Total cost of B and C is 6. C and D is 7, and D and E is 9. Okay, so what is the cost of each present? For this, they just tell us about two things. Let's suppose A and B is 7, so B and C is also 6. Okay, if we divide this, okay, so suppose it should be A and B is 7, so I hope if I divide into two parts, so this one is 7.5 and 3.5 and 3.5. Okay, so if this B is 3.5, so it's mean 2 is 2.5. Okay, if 2 is 2.5, so it's mean D is um, what we call it 2.5, so 4.5. If D is 4.5, okay, so it mean E is also 4.5. So with the help of this we can solve it easily, and let me show you just a moment. Yeah, look at here, but we need to fix this. Why? We actually make a 5 sorry 20. Okay, so what we will do here, so we can add all these numbers like that we can get 20. Okay, so first of all, what I do here, now let's suppose I will write here, if I said to you that let's suppose A is, if A is 5, what I said here, for 3.5, so it's mean plus B is what, 3.5. If B is plus, so C is what, 4.5, sorry 2.5, plus 7 is 4.5, plus 4.5. So when I add these all number, these two equal to 9. Okay, 9, and this one is equal to 7. Okay, 9 and 7, that is 16, plus 2, 18.5. So it's mean it's not a 7. First thing, A is not a 7. Why? Because it's less. She spent $20. So let's suppose we give him 5. If A is 5, okay, so if A is 5, so B is obviously 2. Okay, so if B is 2, so 2 plus 5, 7. So according to this, A is 5, so B is 7, so B is 2. Okay, now if B is 2, so what is C? C is 4. C must be 4. Okay, let's suppose C is also 4. And here, what is D? D is 3. D is 3. If D is 3, so E is 6. Because if this D is 3, so there's 6 left, so 6 is E. Okay, and if C is 4, okay, so 3 left, so 3, D is 3. Okay, so let's add this one. Okay, mm, now first 3, that one I add, it's equal to 11, and this one is equal to 9. So with the help of this, we understand that A is equal to 5. Once A is equal to 5, so B is equal to what? B is equal to 2. C is equal to C is equal to 4. D is equal to 3, and E is equal to 6. Okay, Here are the answers. Okay, for the first, let's investigate. Okay, so with the help of this, we can find. So once I add total, it's equal to 20, and when I put it here, so both are equal. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Let's move to the next part. A swimming pool is 50-meter long. Okay, a 50-meter long and 25-meter wide. How many length of the pool will be a competitor in the 1500-meter race have swim? Okay, if it's 25-meter long and sorry, 50-meter long and wide is 25-meter. So how much length of the pool will the competitor in a 1500-meter race have to swim? So the simple way is 30, means he will cover a 30 round because I divide 1500 divided by 50, that is equal to 30. Okay, 30 round he just do and then complete his. But he's how many let's check this. Look at here, 30 lengths. Okay, so why 30 lengths? Because we divide 50, because he's just moving from lengthwise, not widthwise. Okay, so next, Hamada buy a 2 kilogram bag of tomatoes. She used 400 grams of tomatoes to make a soup. How many grams of the tomato has left? First of all, you need to know 2 kilogram is 2000 grams. Okay, and she used 400 grams, so it's been 2000 minus 400, that is equal to 1600 grams left. Okay, Rosie has a 2 meter length of ribbon. She cut off the piece of a ribbon of 65 centimeter. Okay, so before we start, you must know that 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Okay, so 200 centimeters. So she's using 65 centimeters. So 200 minus 65 centimeter, that is equal to 135 centimeter. Part 4, a triangle has a length of a 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 13 centimeter. What is the perimeter? Okay, so you can add all these things. 12 plus 13, 25 plus 30, 5, 30. Okay, so your answer is equal to 30. A jug, a 1 liter of water, a 1 liter of water. Fatima pours 90 milliliter of the water. How many milliliter of? First of all, you need to do one thing that is most important. So you know 1 liter is equal to how many? How many? Um, milliliter. So 1000 milliliter. Okay, ml. So what I do next? So I just minus with this 1000 minus 90, that give me 910 ml. Okay. So how much left? So 910 ml left here. A bucket hold 2.7 liter of the water. How many milliliter is this? Okay. So a simple way is just to write 2.75 multiply by 1000, multiply by 1000, and you will get your answer. That is equal to 2750. Okay. So that is in milliliter. So let's move on. So you can check easily 2750 milliliter, 910, and the other one is this. Okay. Now let me share other information. Okay. Now here, what we will do here, first of all, question number 7, 200 grams and 1.9 kg equal to what? First of all, you need to make a unit same. Okay, either you can make it in kilogram or make it this into grams. So let's suppose I just convert kilogram into grams. So this one is equal to 1.9, that is kg, that's equal to 1900 grams. Okay, so it's mean this one is 1900. What I do here, so I just add 200 plus 1900. So what is the answer? That is equal to 2100. 2100. Okay, that is gram. So when I convert this into kilogram, so what is the answer? That is equal to 2.1 kilogram. Okay, so that is the right answer. Now Ali goes a cycling. He cycles 65 kilometer on the first day and 43 kilometer on the second day. How far does he cycle altogether? So we need to add all these number what I we mentioned here. 65 65. First you check either both the units are same. Okay, 43 kilometer, so that is equal to uh 108 kilometer. Okay, now here Ahmed goes on our 12 kilometer